Which choice best states the main purpose of the text? The following text is adapted from Charles Chestnut's 1899 short story, Mars Jeems' Nightmare. The narrator and his wife have recently moved to the southern United States, and Julius is their carriage driver. Julius was very useful when he moved to our new residence. He had a thorough knowledge of the neighborhood, and was familiar with the roads and the watercourses, knew the qualities of the various soils and what they would produce, and where the best hunting and fishing were to be had. He was a marvelous hand in the management of horses and dogs. So option choice A says, to compare the narrator's reaction to a new home with his wife's reaction. This is incorrect because in the passage, neither the narrator's reaction or his wife's reaction were discussed. The only thing that was mentioned was the numerous ways in which Julius was helpful or knowledgeable. So A is incorrect. B. To give an example of Julius's knowledge about soil. This is incorrect because there was no example given about Julius's knowledge about soil. Rather, it simply says that he knew the qualities of various soils and what they would produce. Therefore, B is incorrect. C. To show that the narrator and Julius often hunt and fish together. This is incorrect because nowhere is this mentioned. It only says that he knew where the best hunting and fishing were to be had. Nothing is implied where it says that the narrator and Julius often hunt together or fish together. So C is incorrect. D. To explain different ways in which Julius was helpful. This is the correct answer because the whole passage is merely a list of the numerous ways in which Julius was helpful. One was the knowledge of the neighborhood, the familiarity with roads and watercourses, the qualities of various soils and what they would produce, the best hunting and fishing, and the management of horses and dogs. So this whole text is simply a list of different ways in which Julius was helpful. Therefore, the correct answer is D.